Hello, hello! I really wanted to give this look a go. It's called like double vision makeup and it looks really fucking cool, so I'm gonna do it. I think the best way to start off is by doing the eyes. I'm gonna do the eyes. I feel like the eyes are gonna be the hardest, so let's do the eyes. Right, let's see how this goes. So I'm gonna use some white to outline the eye shape. Oh god, okay. Gotta commit, come on. There you go. Fuck. Right, so I'm just gonna grab some brown eyeshadow and I'm gonna try and just outline the eye a little bit more to add a bit more detail, gradually add some detail. And then my eyelid, I don't really have much of an eye, well I have an eyelid, but you can't see it very well. So I'm going to try and create that. I guess. Right, so back with this good stuff. And let's fill in my eyeball. Before I use the white, I'm gonna fill in the center. Wait, my eye's not black, it's blue. What am I doing? Right, so I'm gonna use blue because that's the color of my eyes. How cool is this, by the way? Okay. Okay, so now I'm just going to, I'm trying not to move because otherwise the camera will unfocus. Fuck it. Looks funny. I'm going to use liquid eyeliner to put the pupil, iris, the black dot, that bit on here. Okay, so I'm just going to try and add some more detail to the eye. I've got these, oh my finger just went in it, skin toned grease colours, just because I think these colours are really good. They're like the closest that I'll get to this stuff. Okay, now to really intensify the outline of the eye, I'm going to actually use black eyeliner to get that really crisp, defined... I went cross-eyed then, didn't I? Whoa. I need to see where my highlights are on my eye. Get some white. Ah! Don't hold back, come on. So it's looking alright. I feel like the eye looks a little bit distorted, like I've got the shape a little bit odd. But I've come this far and I'm not sure if I want to change it. I've got a bit of eyeshadow on right now, so I thought I might as well use the same colour eyeshadows on this eye as well. Right, now I'm going to put some eyeliner on my fake eye. I'm not gonna lie, that was really hard to do on camera whilst looking in the mirror, camera mirror. So I think I'm gonna do this one on my own and then I'll get back to you with a fourth eye. So both eyes are done, finally. Oh my gosh, I'm hoping that was the hardest part because bloody hell. I'm gonna, oh my god. It's funny, these lips are more plumper than my own. Rather have these ones, if I'm honest. Okay. So it's coming together. Or I can't take myself seriously. And now it's time for the nose. Okay, so I'm gonna start with. Oh god! I just dipped my finger in the face paint. Blech. Oh my god! I think I'm going to leave the nose. It's really difficult. Okay, so the last step is eyebrows. So I think that's looking a bit better. I think I'm done. I'm actually really happy with how this turned out. You know, as soon as I was doing the first eye, I was already losing the will to live and I was like, am I really gonna finish this? But I've done it. I've just realised one of the eyes is sort of going off this way. So it looks like I've got a lazy eye. Bit of a derp face really, but hey ho, why not? Achoo! Thank you for watching this video.